Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you an easy ways on how to fix Windows 11 mouse automatically scrolling up and down. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to navigate here with the start icon. Please do a right click, scroll up and tap on device manager. So simply tap on it and wait until a new window, which is your device manager, would appear here in our screen. Once it's here, please proceed on mice and other pointing devices and click this forward arrow and select your mouse driver. All you need to do is you need to do a right click and go with update driver. Now here, it will opt you to choose two options. Go with browse my computer for drivers manually so that it will locate and install a driver manually for your computer. Now go with let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer, and here you would be able to see all the available or compatible driver that is good to your computer. Now here's the catch. You need to try out one by one of this driver. Click on next and install that, and proceed with the second. Click on next and install that, and go with the third. Click on next and install that, and check what will work for you. Okay, check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to move on to our second method. Our second method would be you need to navigate the same process, and that is to do a right click here to start icon, go with your device manager. And this time again, you need to go with mice and other pointing devices. And you need to click this forward arrow and select your mouse driver. Now this time you need to do a right click and go with uninstall device. But before confirming your action, you need to make sure that this box attempt to remove the driver for this device is unchecked. Once you have ensured that this is being unchecked, go with uninstall to confirm your action. Once you have done install that, don't worry, because the moment you have closed this window, and the moment you will restart your computer, okay, so restart your computer, it will be automatically installed again and checked if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to move on to our third method. Our third method would be this time you need to go with your button search bar and type for settings. Once you have typed that, please proceed with the best match. Click on open to continue. Please go with the left side of that and go with Windows Update. Click on it. And under the Windows Update tab, you need to scroll down. Okay. And here, you need to go with Update History. So click on this option and you need to scroll down once again and go with Uninstall Updates. Now here's the catch. You need to uninstall the latest updates that you have done in your Windows or computer. Okay? Because that might be one of the reason why you face an error. So look at the date. They would be able to see the date where you have installed it. I mean, when you have installed it, sorry. You just have to observe the date and go for the latest one and click on uninstall. Okay? Again, uninstall the latest updates that you have just done in your Windows or computer. And once you have uninstalled it, check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to bound to our last method, which is again at the bottom search bar, search for settings. Once you have typed that, please proceed with the best match. Go with open to continue. By the way, you can also use the keys, which are by pressing Windows and I key together. By that, you would be able to open the settings. Here at the settings window, this time on, you need to proceed with Bluetooth and devices. Tap on it, and here you need to scroll down and look for mouse options. Click on it, and here you would be able to see an option which says scroll in active windows when hovering over them. Again, look for an option which says scroll in active windows when hovering over them. Now make sure it is being turned off. If it's in your case it is turned on, turn it off, and try to close this window and check if your mouse is working properly this time. Check if your problem has been fixed, okay? So those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.